fine. I'll just use silver shampoo this time. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy. Welcome to a new video. Yeah, I do not know what I was gonna say. 2 weeks ago, I tried to tone the blonde part of my hair because it was very yellow because, you know, I bleached it and everything like that. And to tone my roots, I actually used 2 different toners. I used like an actual toner that is like called a toner and that you like mix together, put on your head, everything like that. But I also used silver shampoo because I didn't have enough toner. I mean, you can watch the video to see what happens. Anyway, when I was done with everything, I showed you all the end result. And everybody told me that I should just use silver shampoo on all of my hair. Oh my god, did you see what just happened? This just fell out. Well, it is 2 weeks later now, and my hair has become very yellow again. So therefore, I need to tone it again, and this time I will indeed only be using silver shampoo on my roots. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Exciting stuff. Also, I just impulsively decided that I want to bleach my brows again. So yeah, I think that I'm just going to do that today as well. You know what's kind of crazy? I stretched my ears about like 2 weeks ago, maybe even less, and they've gotten like so much bigger without me doing anything at all. Look! It's like, can you see the space? And on this side, the same thing is happening. Like my jewelry is already too small and it just keeps falling out of my ear. And I didn't do anything, it just happened naturally. Okay, anyways, we're not here to talk about my ears, we're here to talk about my hair. So, for my hair, we're going to use the same things as last time, which is the Schwarzkopf Goodbye Yellow Silver Shampoo or Purple Shampoo. Depends on how you look at it, I guess. And we're just gonna mix it in with some cheap ass conditioner, boy. Just to like dilute it a little bit and make it a little bit easier to work with. I'm just going to put this all over my hair. And then hopefully I'll have beautiful white hair. Do you wanna see what it looks like right now? Maybe I can show you. Like this. This is where I use silver shampoo. And this is where I use the toner. Is that a big difference? I actually don't really know. Oh my god, there's construction again. I hate my life. Like literally the moment I start filming, they start with their loud ass construction work. Let me just mix my concoction up. Okay, so I've got my hair stuff and I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. I honestly do think that this is gonna work. I feel like my hair is going to be super duper white at the end of the day. Sick! Look! Oh my god! This is kind of cool. If I like dye my roots darker, then you have like this. It's like a, I don't know, like a streak of sunshine. Even though this is like one of my favorite hair colors that I've ever had, I still feel like I am kind of over it already now. Like, I've only had this hair color for, I mean, I think 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. But I'm kind of already bored with it. Is it bad? I just changed my mind so fast. Like, I get bored of things so easily. But you know what the thing is with me? Like, I love the process way more than I love the end result. Like, I love doing this to my hair. I love like messing with it. I love putting purple shampoo in it, you know, all this crazy stuff. I really love doing that. And then once it's done and I see the end result, I'm like, okay, it's time to try something else. But yeah, that means that I feel the need to change my hair every 2 weeks. Okay, front section done. Ugh. Vibing very hard. For something that is called purple shampoo, I feel like it's very blue. Everything is covered as far as I know, at least. I don't really feel like checking everything in the mirror, so I'm just gonna assume that it's all nice and dandy, okay? So let me take this out. And then just slightly massage it in a little bit. I do not think that this does anything for the silver shampoo at all, but it does feel nice on my scalp. So let me just massage myself. I like myself so much better without bangs. Why do I always feel the need to cut my bangs? And then once I have bangs, why do I always feel the need to grow them out instantly? Also, really liking the fact that my hair is like one... Pablo. I'm also really liking the vibe... Pablo! Oh my god, Pablo's being very crazy. Wait. Pablo, what do you think of the box? I really like how my hair is not blonde right now. I think I like that better than having blonde roots. But yeah, no, I'm not going to dye my hair today. But the thing that is on the agenda is to bleach my eyebrows, which is super easy to do if you've never bleached your brows and you've always been thinking about bleaching them. Honestly, do it. Do it. First of all, it's like super fun to do. Second of all, it looks hella sick on everybody. Don't say it's not gonna look good on you, because it definitely is gonna look good on you. It looks good on everyone. And thirdly, it's so easy to reverse. Like, all you need to do is just dye your eyebrows again. Like, it's so easy. So honestly, I do not see a reason why you should not try to bleach your brows at least once in your life. It's just so much fun. And for me, this is going to be probably like the 20th time that I'm bleaching my eyebrows. I just can't get enough of it. So let's just mix some powder with some developer and then put it on my brows. This should be enough. Definitely enough. Definitely enough. Look! Got some bleach, boy. Make sure everything is covered. And you also want to make sure that you're not allergic to bleach, because then your eyes will probably fall off. And we don't want that. At least I don't want that for you. I'm just going to honestly smother them completely in bleach. Because why the hecking god not, you know? Ooh, it's kind of burning already. Ugh, why does this always burn? Like, it doesn't burn on my scalp, but it always burns on my eyebrows. Ooh, okay, let me just... Oh, let me just take some off. Oh, I look amazing. Oh my god. They're already lighting up, by the way. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're already like a lot lighter than what I started with. So I'm just going to let this sit on my eyebrows for I think like 10 minutes. Honestly, it doesn't need to sit that long. And then I'm going to put the silver shampoo. Ooh, it stings. And then I'm going to put the silver shampoo in there to like tone them. So yeah, let me just sit here in silence for 10 minutes. and then I'll be right back. Okay, it has been 10 minutes, so let me just take this off right now. Then I'm just going to take a cotton pad, spritz it with some water, and then I'm just going to clean my eyebrows off. Shouldn't be that hard. Look at my browless face. So last step of the brows is just get a little bit of like purple shampoo, and I'm just going to brush that through my brows because these are also a little bit yellow right now and I want them to be pure white. They need to match my roots, which will hopefully also be pure white. So let's just apply this. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is absolutely nothing. I'm just going to leave it like this because I look amazing. Especially my eyebrows are looking beautiful right now. Okay, no. I'm just going to let this sit for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. The purple shampoo has been on my hair for about 30 minutes already. So that's a long time for shampoo to be on your head. So I probably need to rinse it out soon. And as in soon, I mean now. So I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Hello, beautiful people. Emo Lindy is back in the house. Oh, saliva in my airways. Look! Oh, I look like an alien again and I love it. Having no brows is such a look. My hair, it definitely did not get as light as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I really thought it was gonna be white. But it's kind of like more of an ashy blonde. In the back, it looks a lot more like silvery white than the front, and I think that's just because like when I bleached my hair I started with the back section, so that part just lightened up a lot more than here. But overall, still love it. And now that I've rinsed the silver shampoo out of my hair, I do actually appreciate the blonde hair again. I was just having a moment earlier, but I think that this is a vibe. I love it, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it for now. Also, while I was waiting for the purple shampoo to do its work, I might have actually also stretched my ear again. So they are both the same size right now. And it honestly went so smooth. Like, it only took me a few seconds and now they're the same size. And I don't know what's happening. Because when I started stretching my ears like 10 years ago, which makes me sound so old, but okay, I definitely had to wait like at least a month between every size. But now my ears apparently just really want to get bigger. I wonder when I'm gonna stop, because this was actually my end goal, but this one already wants to get bigger, so I don't know. Should I go bigger? You tell me. And yeah, I know that this video is about my hair, but I just want to say one more thing about my ears, and that is that they're doing fine, okay? I got so many comments on my ear stretching video of people telling me that I was doing it wrong and it was like super dangerous and terrible and you should never stretch your ears like that. My ears are doing fine. So, I don't know. I've been stretching my ears like that my entire life. Never had any problems. So, I don't know. They're doing fine. If you do not want to stretch your ears like that, then don't do it. Obviously do your research before you make holes in your body, you know? You know? You know? You know? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao.